My name is James Burd. I'm a lead enterprise architect. I work for a large cash management company that's global. So in the US, we have about 8 to 10,000 employees. Globally, we probably have around 30,000 employees. Our primary platform is vSphere. Everything is licensed on Enterprise Plus. We also run vCloud Director in our development environment that we eventually want to spread for automation into our production environments as well. But I'm also here to look into the vRealize suite to eventually upgrade those environments to the latest platforms. So the most valuable features, of course, is resiliency between data centers and within the data center, and application availability for our enterprise environments, and also to help our business be a leader in our industry, which has helped spur growth based on our quality of infrastructure. Really, the benefits of vCloud Director are for our developers to have a straight line to be able to provision resources and help the business move along on new platforms and provision things rapidly for the business without allowing them to have full control to move those environments into production. Stability and solutions is fantastic. In the life cycle that we've had all of the products, we've maybe had some hiccups here and there only on the hardware side. Of course, you know, within any large enterprise environment, there's always some hiccups. But even with those, the HA failures that we've had, the recovery time within the application platforms has been fantastic, and that's been reported up to the CIO and up to the CEO of the company, and they have visibility to that, and that's why they love the product features of vSphere. The scalability is fantastic as well. We're a Dell customer, so within our environments we actually use Dell Blades. So on that platform, we're able to scale out rapidly within our clusters and provision new resources really within a matter of days, or if we have hardware on site, it's a matter of minutes. I got to be honest, from my side as a vExpert, I handle a lot of frontline high-level cases that may happen. I have a good group of engineers that I work with that I help train on VMware to be able to handle any issues that come up. Issues really don't happen very often because we do invest in a lot of tools to help us in the environment in case there's any issues. So support has been great. They're very good at communicating back and forth with VMware support, and also any of the third-party plugins that we have between hardware solutions and software solutions. All of them are great with coordinating with VMware support. Really, what I would like to see is some of the capabilities from like IBM XIV, to where essentially VMware could essentially mask physical CPUs from certain virtual machines, so that in the instances like Oracle, where we could save on licensing and not have to cover licensing costs across unused resources. For me, I think it would be great eventually in the future for VMware to have that capability to mask CPU and coordinate with Oracle to where smaller businesses who don't have enterprise license agreements to cover any and all CPUs, to be able to license these assets and not have to carve out physical resources just for Oracle workloads or any other type of virtual workloads that depend on CPU counts within physical resources. Oh, of course, 10. I mean, VMware has been the market leader in the virtualization segment for many, many years. I've worked with the product since 1.0 days, and I've seen the evolution of the other hypervisors as well, but none have totally matched the enterprise quality that VMware has. Peer reviews are important, but hands-on with the products and doing POCs are very important as well. Really, I think from my standpoint, the peer reviews help to focus on needs for a particular enterprise environment or a particular solution, and I think it helps weed out what features may not be necessarily needed for a particular solution. So really, peer reviews I think are fantastic. I do them all the time, but it depends on use case what you need them for.